In a quiet house on a sunny street lived Tom the cat with soft padded feet. He dreamed of peace, of milk and rest, but fate had plans he never guessed. For in the walls, so small and merry, lived a clever mouse named Jerry. With tiny steps and sparkling eyes, he turned each day to a big surprise. Tom woke up ready, today I'll win. He set his traps with a confident grin. But Jerry laughed, quick and smart, escaping traps like a work of art. Through the kitchen, under the chair, over the table, into the air. Plates would break and curtains fall. Their chase became a carnival. Jerry had courage, Jerry had brain, Tom had strength but little gain. Yet neither hated, though they fought. Their endless chase was strangely taut. Sometimes at night when the moon was low, they'd sit apart, tired and slow, sharing silence, sharing space, enemies bound in a timeless race. Trouble came from outside the door, a bigger threat, a louder roar. Tom and Jerry stood as one, two old rivals, battle won. Morning came, the chase restarted, same old game, freshly hearted. No true end, no final win, just laughs, chaos, and mischief within.